Hello friends, from my previous videos we understand the basic orientation of Indian share market, like why invest, different asset classes, regulators, financial intermediaries and IPO. If you hear my voice for the first time, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and check out my playlist here to make a deep foundation about share market ecosystem in the simplest way. Now let's begin. The mostly asked question for a beginner is that why the price of a company fluctuate on a daily basis on the share market? Let's understand this with a simple example. A news come at 10 a.m. that there is a company ABC Limited and they launch a new product and people love it. Now let's see this situation with an investor's perspective. The investor thinks that this company launched a good product and people would love it. That means the total sales of the company increases. That means the profit is also increases. So this positive news take the price of the share to the higher levels. But how the price changes? Let's assume the price of one share of this company is 100. After this news, one seller wants to sell it at 110 rupees and buyers accept that deal. So now the last traded price become 110 from 100. Simple, right? Now see another perspective. Another news came at 2 p.m. that they can take 15% cut on their revenue. Now I have three questions for you. What do you think that how the market will react in this news? How you set up your new trade depending upon this news? And how the other companies in the same sector behaves? Comment below. Okay, I will discuss my perspective. If you agree with me, then press that like button. Now the first question. A 15% cut in their revenue is quite serious. So the market will react negatively and the price start declining. Then the next one. I will place a sell order because according to me, it traded in a lower price. And the last one. If ABC is a big brand in sector, then this negative news affect the other companies as well. But if it's not a big brand, then it can't affect others. Okay, we understand that how a news can affect the price of any shares. But what happens if there is no news? Is the price move or stay flat? Let's take two companies for example. Number one, Reliance Industries and number two, Sri Lakshmi Sugar Mills. Assume there is no news. As we know, Reliance is one of the biggest brand in India. So no matter if there is a news or not, the market participants buy or sell the shares is the price moves constantly. But the second company is relatively unknown. So therefore the prices stay flat or give a minor movement. There are many other reasons for the price fluctuation in share market. If you know any other reason, let us know in the comments. In my next video, we'll learn that how you can transact in share market and also about the post purchases, holdings and much more. So don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and press that bell icon to get notified. If this video had any value to your life, hit that big fat like button and share this video to your family, friends and colleagues. Thank you so much for watching this video guys.